Good morning friends. As you can see, this is our new flow meter, and that kind of flow meter we are using in medical supply oxygen. And as you can see, this is our new type MYR88. Now we'll unbox this. As you can see, this is our humidifier. Also we can say it's a jar, and this is our syringes, and as you can see, this is our flow meter. As you can see friends, this is our flow meter, and this is a spherical ball in that for measuring our liters of oxygen, how much of liters of oxygen it's flowing through the wall. And this is our adjustment probe, and this is our for pressure regulation, and this is our gauge, pressure gauge, how much pressure in our cylinder we can easily measure with the help of this pressure gauge. And this is our nozzle, this kind of nozzle, and this type of nozzle is used in our B-tap cylinders, and this nozzle insert the B-tap cylinder and we will tight this check nut. And one more thing friends, this is our connector of our jar and humidifier. This is our humidifier, and as you can see, there is one washer in that. With the help of this washer we can easily fit it, and no leakage will be happen in future. So please subscribe to my channel and share this video